Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm gonna talk about how to fix no sound on your iPhone when you're trying to play the games and how we can get it. So if you're having this kind of issue, this is what you have to do. One of the reasons why this is happening is you might be accidentally put your phone on a silent mode. That is why you're having this. So if you're using the older versions like an iPhone, as you can see, if you tilt, you can see we have a button here. So what you need to do is, in order to change from the silent mode, you have to just turn on this particular button over here like this. So you're right now, as you can see, you're exit from the silent mode, and that is what you have to do. But if you're using the latest models like 15 and above, what you need to do is, you're having a button over here which is an action button. You have to press and hold, so you'll be exit from the silent mode. Then you can listen to the voice of the games that you're trying to play. And also apart from this, you can also cross check here. You can go to the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down, and from here tap on the accessibility. From here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the audio and visual, and from here you have to scroll it down a little bit. Make sure the balance should be set into this one, the default one. If you drop it down over here like this, make sure that you set this to the balanced one over here. You have to set this to this. This is very important. After crossing this, you can just go back to the home and also go to the control center over here. Make sure this is also one of the reasons, so try turning on this as well. Right, so these are the steps when it comes to fix no sound on your iPhone games. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.